Let's go, guys. It's Raul TV, Team R for you all, your favorite YouTube mechanic, back again with another video. And this time around, what we're doing is I've got a 2015 Ford Fiesta, and we're going to go ahead and replace the brake light bulb. Okay, stop light bulb, side light bulb, indicator bulb, all the same job. If you don't know what you're doing, you'll end up breaking it. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to take it off, how to replace it. Let's go, let's do it. Okay, first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, a Torx 25, take that off there, 2 Torx there. Let's take them 2 off first, and then we'll go from there. Okay, now that we've got that one off and that one off, most people out there, they'll be giving that a pull and everything, and yeah, you'll end up breaking it. Okay, I'm speaking from experience. I've done it as well, but I've not broke it in the past. But yeah, I was wondering why won't it come off, because you have to go inside here. Okay, get a flat screwdriver, get it in there, pull the carpet off a little bit, not the carpet but the side panel, and in there, see if I can show you guys that, you can see the wiring plug there. Just there you will see another screw kind of thing. In there you will see another screw kind of, there it is. We can just make it out there. So if we're going through the side here, just like that, and look up this way, if you put your hand in there, you'll just feel it, that little plastic screw kind of thing. We're going to go ahead and take that off, and hopefully the whole light cluster will come off. There we have it, guys, that's off. I mean, once you get to that stage and you put your hand in there, you'll feel it just on top of the wiring plug, or just near the wiring plug. Just take it off anti-clockwise and we'll go from there. Okay, now that we've got this one off here, okay, that's plastic screw kind of thing, that one off. So what we're doing now is just lift it up like that, give it a little pull, there we go, should come off nice and easy. Once it's off, we're going to take that plug off. Okay, once we've took the whole light lamp off and everything, not rocket science at all whatsoever. There's 3 bulbs there. If you want, go ahead and replace all 3 if you want to. If you don't want to, just replace the one that you need to replace. Simple as that. So what we're going to do is anti-clockwise, take that one off with replacing the brake light bulb. Stop and tail, 2-pin. Let's go ahead and replace it. Okay, after taking these off, this torque, and after taking the plastic screw off, it might not still come off. Okay, mine has come off, as you can see. It's all freestyling because it's been changed in the past. Okay, if it hasn't been changed in the past, more than likely it's going to be jammed up on this side. Okay, so it needs to come towards the back of the car. Okay, make sure it goes towards, pull it back of the car. Don't pull it sideways or up or anything, towards the back of the car. If it still doesn't come off, get some WD-40 or some oil, and see that gap here, put some oil down the side here. All right, that's it, it's on, the bulb is on. Like I mentioned, if you want to, you can go ahead and replace all of them if you want, then that way, job done in one go. Another thing I'd recommend is, obviously I did it on my lap, okay, what you could do is, to make your life easier, take the parcel shelf off, put it on the parcel shelf, have a brew, relax, and replace it that way. I'm only messing, guys. Anyway, yeah, you can do that if you want. You know, save yourself doing it on your lap or anything like that, or on the floor. Just put it on the parcel shelf, replace the bulbs. Happy days. Right, let's connect the plug back up. I'm not going to show you how to connect it. Just push it on. It should connect. Refit it in reverse order. Get the 2 Torx on. That one there. That one. Put the plastic screw back on. Test it, and let's do it. Let's go. Okay, guys, that's it. That's done. Everything's back on. The Torx are back on. The plastic screw inside is back on. The cover's back on. Everything is done. It should take you no more than 10 minutes if everything comes off nice and easy. I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. I'm trying my best. Raul TV trying to hook you guys up. So all I'm going to say is please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV. We'll see you guys soon.